steps up hiring in India, looks for leadership, senior level roles. Hello and welcome to Inventiva. I'm Malala Singh bringing you the top news from today. Tesla Incorporated has begun recruiting in India for leadership and senior level roles. This comes after months of hints and reports on how Elon Musk-headed Tesla is looking to break into an electric vehicle market that is likely to become one of the world's most promising. The California-based electric vehicle maker is recruiting for positions like head of sales and marketing and head of human resources, said a person in the know to Bloomberg. Meanwhile, a Tesla fan club has also tweeted last week that the company has brought a senior legal counsel on board. Tesla has not made any official statements and did not respond to a request for comment by the news site. Speculations ran rife after CEO Elon Musk responded to a Tesla-focused blog that the car maker was in talks with several Indian states to open an office, showrooms and research and development centers and possibly a factory. He responded to that report on January 13 and said, as promised. Moreover, recent reports also said that Prashant Menon, who has been with the company for 4 years, has been elevated to Director of India Operations. He is expected to oversee Tesla's introduction to India. The company is additionally expected to be closely monitoring announcements from the Modi government regarding incentives to EV makers under the Production-Linked Incentive Program before entering India. Even as India is pushing for an electric cars ecosystem, it is yet to roll out the welcome mat. For instance, lack of EV charging infrastructure could be a big impediment. EV sales in the country currently amounts to less than 1% of annual car sales.